Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am, kind of, hopefully. We'll see. So we got going on today. Of course, we're back with the S2000. Basically, I'm going to do a valve adjustment. I got the tool I needed. Is this guy right here. So basically you put this on the little nut, and then you can lower this flathead in there, break the nut and adjust it. It makes it a lot more easier. But valve cover's halfway almost taken off. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest, and then yeah, I don't know, we'll just see, check out the clearances for each valve, and then we'll see what if it was that. But I was told by my ex-coworker that it could also possibly be the injectors, because they are bigger injectors, so they're tend to be a little bit more loud than normal. But I don't know, we'll see. Also heard that the pulleys, the idler pulley, there's a lot of possibilities that this noise can be. The two main ones, as I said, or the main one could be the timing chain tensioner. I might have to get a heavier duty one, but we'll see. Disassemble this and then we'll go from there. Alright, you guys, right here we're about to go on a drive. I'm gonna show you a couple things that concern me. So I'll mention it right now once we make this first turn. As you'll see, the camera is not mounted properly, but so it's moving around a lot, but you can see it. You'll see a lot of smoke come out the exhaust as it's almost like a decel on idle. We'll have some coming right there, and look at that right there, and some more right there. You'll see a little bit more come out right there, as you can kind of see it. And as I make my way up the street, more does come out. See that right there and right there. Bad camera angles, but there you see the most of it right there. So I'm trying to figure out what that's about. Not too sure. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. Hopefully I'm not burning oil. But you can see a lot of smoke right there. I did find out that some of the smoke was due to the fact that I painted my turbos housing with VHT paint, which is the high temperature paint. So it's like doing its thing on sticking on there, so it smokes, as you can see. But the other, you can see more of it is at the turbo as well, or exhaust piping or whatnot. You'll be able to see it clearly as day right now. Alright, you guys, so right here, another issue that I encountered was the car does not want to start up when it's warm or hot, whatever you want to call it. You see that? It's a pretty slow crank. I've got recommended a few things already, but if anybody else would recommend something, go ahead and leave a comment. But that's a problem that I'm facing. So yeah, just gotta switch out a couple things. Hopefully it works. The things that I was recommended, but we'll see. Still nothing. Alright, you guys, right here, this is my POV driving of the S2000, so enjoy. Alright, you guys, I brought the S2K back. It's dark. You guys saw we pulled up to Sonic and it didn't want to start. So we're having starting issues again. Okay, phone died. I don't know what it is. Or it could be starting issues, or it could be power issues, it could be battery issues, it could be... I don't know what it could be at this point, but it's something. I had to start it with like someone giving me a push. Oh, it smells like a lot again. But let's see if it does it. See, I do the windows. Let me see if it does it with the top. And it died down as I'm putting the top up. So the car decided to die as I was putting the top up. Why? I don't know. But it did. But we're home now. So, for now, it is what it is. Oh, my freaking windows, actually. I don't know what it is. More likely a battery issue. Could be my starter. I've had issues like this where it heats up and it doesn't want to start. Could be the battery, but the starter is brand new. As I've posted it that I started it on YouTube. So I don't know what it could be to figure it out. For now, we're gonna continue our drive on the Weemobile, and I am recording on the GoPro, so it's all wide angled. Here we are in the Weemobile with Weemo Jamie. Little that was too much. Alright, you guys, I came to the dealership to pick up this thing right here. Damn, man. Don't delay. This thing's not bad. Like, once you like I already looked at it once, checked it out once at the Auto Convention Center, and I liked how it felt sitting in it. It's not bad. Let's see what's the sticker price on this. They want $54,000, which is not bad in a red. I wouldn't say it's bad, but what would be better than this? Let me show you guys. This dealership right here has this bad boy over here just sitting pretty. I don't think it's ever gonna be for sale. It's over there. Look at that. That's a clean one too. Let me see if I can zoom in. I think. Damn. That one is like, I don't know the miles on it. I don't know nothing about it. But it's just there sitting. Look at that. Let me get a closer look. Sheesh. I don't know if they're ever gonna sell it, but if they do, I know it's gonna be one hefty price. It's gonna be good old, oh man. It's gonna be a good old little paycheck, but I think it's the owner's. It belongs to the owner of this Toyota. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think. Guess how much they wanted for that?
70,000.
No, that's too much. Less.
50,000.
Close.
45,000.
No, too low.
49.
No. They wanted 54,000. Which is not bad. It's not that bad. There's cars and trucks out there that are like around the 40,000 range. It looks really, like once you, like, I remember we saw one at the auto show. It looked really nice, but, and I sat in it. I actually kind of liked it. I like the two-seaters. So, I don't know, but I want the NSX. That's the dream car right there, for sure. Before anything else, NSX.